Hello everyone. I am Ananya Achar from first year AIDS. My startup company name is Radiant. Product name is Test Tube. Product proposed name SiteTube. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Test tube often used to carry out small scale chemical reactions. Unbreakable test tube and AI oriented. It can carry many chemicals at a time, produces less harmful gases to the atmosphere. Temperature recognition sensor and test tube holder attached with it. Define. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name test tube. Futuristic product name site tube. Ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Provide color or coded caps for easy identification of different samples or substances. Incorporate a writable area for labeling with markers that are resistant to chemicals and heat. Offer test tubes that are pre-sterilized and sealed to save time and ensure sterility. Include precise volume markings for easy measurements of liquids. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working of model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.